So we had all that discussion in the hospital. He proposed to me, but I kept asking him, does it mean he never had any woman in his life? What if his family doesn't like me? I have a bandage on my leg. At least he should wait. But he said they must see me first.
Something he told me. But the point is, do you like him? Forget the fact that he came through Ikenna and he has been good to our family. Are you okay with him? He may have other hidden character which you don't know.
Mama, I like his heart. He has told me everything about him. He also told me about the woman his mother wanted him to marry. But he said he found something that disqualified her. He told me that she read law and she's also the former senator's daughter. But I am just a poor girl living in this vicinity. Yet he wants to be with me.
God works in mysterious way. For him to have that encounter with Ikenna is not just ordinary. But let's just see what things will unfold.
This is marriage we are talking about.
Look, I do not subscribe to things that make no sense to me. I do not. Why is it that you see the truth and you want to bend it? Prince Okike knows what he wants, but his father wants to bend him because of the relationship he has with the former senator. Eh? Okay, we all know that the former senator is a very influential man, yes. But is that a good reason for us to see the truth and bend it? Eh? What is the issue? What is the issue? The breast cancer issue. The breast cancer that runs in the genealogy of the former senator's late wife. Is it not enough issue? It's not enough to start tarnishing the image of that lawyer whose services will be of good help to the royal home if married into that family. It's a umendo. We should not be supporting something like this because we all know that every family has that black spot. And you know exactly what I'm saying. I understand. I understand what you mean. But what we are talking about here is breast cancer. Oh. Breast cancer.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. Yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free, oh. Aroma Joron so good. And anyway, this is my decision, oh. No going back, correct, con sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back, correct, con sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I love a wanamo, wanomo, kesifumo, anamazanke. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse, this is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse, this is marriage we are talking about. I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future.
And who is she?
She's the girl the prince wants to marry.
I don't believe it. You lie or not?
If you like, believe me. Her name is Amarachi.
Amaka. How on earth are you getting all this information from? Her name is Amarachi. And who told you?
Pamela, what are you even saying? She's always with the princess. And the princess makes call and do not hide anything from her. But the princess has to know that you do not have a secret.
Now listen, all of you are palace maidens, and I am not. I'm a personal assistant, and that's on period. Anyways, I heard the princess talking with the brother about this Amarachi of a girl. He said she will be discharged from a hospital in Enugu. She had an accident, and the prince likes her, so we finally get to say bye-bye to Vicki.
Honestly, it's better he marries that Vicki girl.
Vicki loves the prince more. And I do hope this one will love the prince. She's pretty sharp. But you girls should stand here and discuss the prince's choice of your wife. When your mates out there are having two kids, they are sharing.
Look at how she is. Pretending as if she's the best.
This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Who is she?
Father, her name is Amarachi. She's from Izago here. She lives in my heart, and I want to marry her. Achalugum, meet my father, the king.
Nice to meet you, Your Majesty.
If you truly have a heart, if you truly have a heart, then why didn't you pick any of these beautiful ladies around here instead of bringing in a cripple to my palace? How dare you?
Father, she is not crippled. She only had an accident that's passed through a surgeon. Father, she's only getting better.
Father, I don't know her, but my brother has told me lots of good things about her. You are Amarachi, right?
Yes, my princess.
Who is your father?
My father is late Mazi Bekwe.
And what was his occupation?
He was an engineer, Your Majesty.
Do you think you can marry my son? Didn't my son tell you the wife the royal family chose for him?
Father, shut up.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to her.
Yes, he did. But he has the right to make his choice.
You are not his choice. The prince's wife should stand in elegance, should stand poised, should stand in dignity and not in crutches. Now leave my palace. You are not going to marry my son.
I will marry her, Father. She goes nowhere. You don't have to choose for me. This whole thing is turning into something else. What's going on?
Guard! Guard! Send this cripple out of this palace now. Hey!
If you touch her, If you touch her, I will chop up your head and feed the beast in the forest. You don't do that. Father, what is really going on?
Listen, Father, enough of all this, okay? There's no reason for this drama. I mean, what will the people say? That the palace is at war? It doesn't make sense, Father. Let Okike make his choice. Okay, you can't be in the middle forever.
But at this point, I am not going to allow you to sink me into that marriage with Vicki. No, I will not allow that. I have my reasons, or I'm going to leave this country for you.
I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner.
Please, Father.
Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future.
Nobody will do this to me. No, it will not happen. Not in this era. No one will impose a woman on me unless it is going to happen in my grave. Yes. Be it the daughter of a president or the daughter of a billionaire, that daughter can go to hell. I don't care. I am a man that has made effort for himself. Yes, I have made so much fortune for myself. As for that throne can go into flames. I don't care. I am not interested. And I ask, must I sit on that throne? I ask again, must I sit on that throne? I have made my choice, and my choice will stand.
Just want to be free,
I am really sorry for what happened there, please. But the assurance I am giving to you is that you live in my heart, and that is where you belong. Please, don't give a deaf ear to what happened there, please. Alright?
Let's go. Let's just go, okay?
This is marriage we are talking about. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. I just want to be free. Allow me
For her to
to
leave
make
the
a
family
choice.
like that,
I just
something
want
must
to
have
be
happened
free.
in there. I think the truth is certainly his choice.
You don't need to think. Of a truth, the girl looks classless and dirty, coupled with her crutches. No sane king will allow his son marry such.
Ah, Pamela, she's not crippled. This may be an accident. But for the prince to be angry, I think something's wrong somewhere.
Whatever. The prince cannot use Vicki and dump her just like that. That's my own. Advocate for Vicki. See, let me tell you something. The king is just joking. I mean, his only son and heir apparent to the throne has the right to make his own choices. To hell with Vicki, I beg.
For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. I remember to Chinedu.
Good afternoon, welcome.
Can't get good afternoon, Moka.
Anytime you see me, you should be calling me doctorate degree centigrades. What do I say?
Centigrades.
You know, put doctor. I say doctorate degree centigrades.
doctorate degree centuries.
Anything you call it, I know that you will not call it well. Even the school you people are going, they will not. They have not taught this old English. Now listen to me. Anytime you see me, you put that abbreviation. Always put doc. Do you hear me?
Sorry, doctor.
Now you come. So how are you?
Fine.
How's school?
It's fine.
I heard that your sister is getting married and you want to become the queen. But by the way, is she back from where she went to?
Yes.
Then when you reach home, make sure you tell her that I will be coming for my balance. You know they don't owe doctors, most especially doctors that specialize on bones. I don't need for getting me. That's why they call me doctorate degree centigrade. Run along now, I'm gonna find food and eat. Tell her that I will come over for my balance. One, bye bye.
This is marriage we are talking about.
Like I told you, calm down. Do not see this as anything.
It's okay. The king is also my father, and he has the right in the palace to say the things he said earlier. You just have to make him understand.
Thanks to the gods that I told you everything in the hospital. I never loved her. It is you that I love, right? The very first day I set my eyes on you, your angelic voice trapped me up until today. So please, do not mind my father.
I love your heart. You are so nice. Your father, the king, is also a nice man. Forget the fact he has a choice. You just have to appeal to him. What is it, my love?
The gods were right when they directed Dikeh to my car. That's why I strongly believe that we were meant for each other. Look at you. You are so beautiful, intelligent and smart. You should be angry, but your hair is narrating my father. Amarachi. Ibukwa n'ezigbo nwa.
Babe, the king is very mean. How do they think that is where we walk when the prince has already made his choice? And for that, his sister. It seems she wants the other lady.
Yes, so. I heard Vicki is very close to the sister. In fact, they are family friends.
And so? Gini were Mezi. If the prince does not want to marry the so-called friend, they should all understand.
The king called me a crippled person.
He just said that. He's just looking for an excuse. You're not crippled, my friend.
So tell me, what about Loretta? Is she not coming back again?
She called me that her sister needs a lot of help, that she's going to come back.
Oh. Okay.
And for the king, is such a joker. I hate it when parents does not see reason with their children. He has made his choice. They should all rest because fast guanike.
Father, I did not like what you did to my guest. How could you humiliate her in the presence of those guards?
Is she in any way better than those guards? You brought a cripple to introduce to me as your wife to be. Are you out of your mind?
I am not out of my mind, Father. I am not! Amarachi is not crippled. She only had a fractured leg.
A queen. should be able to stand on her own without any device. She should be able to stand on her own.
Oh, Father, please. Please! What are you talking about? She only had a fractured leg, and those scratches, she will not be using those scratches for the rest of her life. Father, her legs are healing. What are you talking about? Father, please, I do not want us to keep dragging this. Please, we shouldn't be dragging this at all.
No, because of that cripple, you started to raise your voice at me, your father. You better watch this, your attitude. You are going to marry that girl. Let heaven fall.
Father, I will not marry Vicki. I will not try it.
Well, in the next 3 days, you and the elders will go see her father to pay her marriage rights. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight.
This is a joke. But this is not happening, Father. It is not happening. This will not happen, Father. It will not happen. You will not impose a woman on me and remember to tell those elders that I'm going nowhere. Yes.
Ekemma. Amarachi. Ekemma.
Okafor, what is it? Why are you shouting my name? Do you want to put this house down with your shouting? Ejingugwa.
Isi Jimobo. Eh? You even barge in without even adding that doctorate degree. Do you know what is doctorate degree? In fact, I am doctorate degree in Obubu. Eh? When I get your Obubu, I will actualize it. It will become straight. If it's in Obodo Ibo, you did this thing that you just did now. Eh? Let me tell you the truth. You would have been in prison by now. Because you are supposed to use that abbreviation. That is what? Doctor. Don't bother calling it because you will not know how to call it. Doc. You call it like that, very short. So I have come to collect my money. That's why I came to collect my money. No.
You billed my grandchild 60,000 naira. And you did not finish your work. And you still have the right to walk in here to ask for your balance. Even the job you did has a leg.
The work I did has your leg. Do I have your leg? Eh? The work I did for you have your leg. Do I have your leg? Eh? Me that is straight like this. Then if I want to do your daughter's leg, I will now do it as your leg, Abi. This is the reason why I always take people to Obubu. I will take you people to Obubu. It will not take me anything, believe me. It will only take me Umuriro Soji and Oji. Miss Kobueba, I know what to say. Something will start happening. So you people should give me my money or else I will put this place on fire.
It has not gotten to Obubu, Okafor.
It has gotten to Obubu, if you don't know. Because I did your work and I finished your work even before your daughter said that she want to go and do what is that thing you say you want to go and do? S3. I have finished my work before then.
Amarachi is not around. She went for a stroll with her friend. So if she comes back, Ikenna will bring your money to your house. Okay?
Okay, Ikenna will come. Now you are talking now. This is what you should have said since and you're running up and down. Make sure he come to my house to bring the money. If not, Obubu will answer us now, you know now. Make sure he comes because Obubu will be waiting for something else. So don't. Okay.
You are the one that's supposed to balance us. My grandchild's leg was straight. After your work, the leg became short.
My love, please don't worry, okay? Don't worry. I will do everything within my power to bend all of them. I will. And I'll make sure mother's cough does not exceed 2 months from now before being buried. Yes. So you don't need to worry.
Father.
Let me call you back.
But I've come for us to talk about this and trash it once and for all.
Talk about what? Talk about what exactly? You and Father are bent on destroying me, right?
No. On the contrary, we want to make you happy because we know what's best for you. We know what's good enough for you.
What is best for me? Who is good enough for me, if I may ask? Vicki? Huh?
Brother, listen, Vicki loves you. Okay, I want you to marry her. With time, you will grow to love her. Please, these things take time.
Hey, don't come here preaching love to me. I might be blind, but what I see, you can't even see them. Right? So quit that. Don't preach love to me. How do you even know about love?
Are you aware that the community are waiting for you? They are seriously waiting for this marriage so that mother can be buried. Are you aware of that?
I can see that everything I've been telling you does not make sense to you. So please kindly leave my room.
You're asking me to leave your room?
Please leave! Leave.
Really? It's okay.
Get out, please. Is everybody mad at this house?
Father, I want us to talk.
Go ahead.
Father, please. I would suggest you allow Okike marry whoever he wants to marry. Okay? Vicki has traveled out and she's making other plans for herself. Please.
The problem about your brother is he's rude. He's always rude to me. And he thinks he has the right to do whatever he wants to do. I was the one that sent him overseas to go and read. At least I expect some loyalty from him.
Yes, Father. Trust me, I understand what you're saying. Okay? I would even love him to marry Vicki. But Vicki has moved on. She has moved on. I'm sure she's doing better things with her life. Let's just get this thing done with. Please, let's allow him bring his wife.
You see, your late mother, made the promise to her in my presence. So how do I begin to change all that?
Father, Mom is late already. She can see how you've been trying, how you've been pushing. You've really tried, but there is nothing we can do. Mother is dead. She can see everything. Please, Father, I'm tired already. Let's just allow him bring his woman home and just get this whole thing done with, please. You've really tried and we all know that already. She's no longer interested. Vicki is no longer interested in this marriage. So what are we saying?
Ichie, the king wants me to leave his palace. I will, but he must not use that power on me.
You see how bad things have gone to. You see, I've lent my voice on this issue. Even though no, who you rejected those Omaka, her daughter, is in support that you make your own choice. You see, the world has changed. People don't see things from the same way other people see it. People see it from a different perspective. The king insisting on a life partner for you is totally rubbish. I do not support it. Mba.
Ichie, thank you. I know and I heard your voice calling a spade.
That's me.
May the gods continue to bless you.
Bless you too. My prince, I want to ask you a confidential question.
Go ahead.
Apart from the senator's daughter risking having breast cancer from her mother's lineage, is there any other thing that you are afraid of?
Ichie.
Yes.
She constantly challenged me.
Eh?
Severally. She popped out her eyes on me in my own room, challenging me.
That was not good now.
A woman is supposed to have respect above everything. Coupled with her, these cancer challenges. I mean, it is very, very bad of her. each year. She lacks respect. What is my business with her reading law and allowing it to get to her head? Marriage is not about law. It's about respect and humility.
That is it.
That is what a man needs. Nothing more.
I now understand your plight, my prince. Don't worry. You have my support. The queen will be buried. The queen will be buried as soon as the new girl is confirmed. You have my support.
Thank you, Ichie. Thank you for your support. I see them. I really appreciate your support.
Thank you very much.
I will take my leave now.
All right, my prince. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Some beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant.
I want you to understand this. But it's okay, since you said you're coming back with your father for your late uncle's burial. I think it's an opportunity for us to see and discuss this. Honestly, that has been the issue. Yes, because my dad has, been bent on what my late mother told him. He's still standing on that. It's making them tear themselves. Like, it's really been yes, it's really been a serious issue here. It's okay now. When you come.
This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage.
I want us to leave. Don't stop me. I've made arrangements for my papers. He'll also be out in a few weeks. My father thinks that he can joke with me, but I will not let that happen.
Leave? No. Don't do that. Don't do a thing like that. If your brother was to be alive, fine. But it is just you. Don't kill your father with this anger.
Amarachi, I said earlier, don't try to stop me. I will leave. If my father is ready, he can invite me. But for now, nothing can change my mind.
Then you will leave without me. Because I am not going to be part of this arrangement.
Amarachi, why?
Because your father will heap the blame on me. He would say since he rejected me, I made plans to take his son away from him, not knowing that you are the brain behind this. My prince, you said you spoke to Onowo and the Ichies. Why don't you wait for them to intervene? Please.
I just want to be free, I wrote my so and anyway, this is my decision. No going back, correct, sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back, correct, sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I have a This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about.
Linda, how are you?
I'm fine.
Your cousin sister was buried last week, and I didn't see you there. Although your mother told me that you came.
Yes, I came. I was in the kitchen all through.
Okay.
Thanks for the help. I heard everything.
It's nothing. Okay, what to do? It's nothing. Please do inform the king I'm around.
Is she?
Yes.
Please know how you can talk to the king about the marriage issue. As it stands now, the prince wants to marry this new girl. Let him go on so we can even have rest in this palace.
Women and marriage. Well, it's okay. We're on it. I believe we'll settle it soon. Just inform him around. I have come so that we can finalize on the issue of the prince marriage. We must, as a matter of urgency, put an end to all this drama. So that the late queen can rest in peace.
Chiomendo.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You needed to see the kind of woman that my son brought to this palace. A poor, crippled, miserable-looking lady. I had thought that he would embrace a higher status by at least bringing a senator's daughter.
Your Majesty, all fingers are not equal in life. What matters most is the happiness of your son. You see, there was something he told me in confidence that is very important. He said that the senator's daughter does not respect him, nor take his orders. Your Majesty, you know every man needs respect. Most especially when it comes to matters of marriage. Because of the pressure he was subjected to by his late mom and even the sister, he couldn't say anything. But please, what I beg is, let the prince marry a woman of his choice, so that peace can reign in this palace. Please.
I said it. There are other issues that they are having. But for my son to reject victory and to stand on his words in spite of all the push, it is not an ordinary. Anyway, I'll think about it and get back to you. But as for that woman, it's a no for me. She should have the quality of a queen.
Your Majesty, that woman in question, she's educated. She's a graduate. And she read one of the best courses. Honestly. But she can still read law, if that's all you need. All I ask for is please love her like a daughter-in-law to be. This life is like a pendulum. You might never know. She might turn out to be the best. Mark my words.
Ichomendo.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I appreciate. Thank you. Like I told you, I will get back to you. Thank you for lending your voice.
Anytime, Your Majesty. Anytime.
You people are even here eating fried rice and chicken, enjoying yourself. That's it now. And you're still owing me. Listen, let me tell you. You told me that you will send your son to bring my money for me. None of them my son. Then, even my money, I did not see anyone. No one I see. So you expect me a whole doctorate degree centigrade. Listen to me. Look at my hand. Centigrade. A whole doctorate degree centigrade. So So I will be walking up and down, coming to your house every day looking for what? 15,000 naira only. Can I agare? Nato. Diamanya, you know, Megum.
So because we are owing you, you will not eat again. Woke up for my son came to your house 2 days ago and you were not around.
Yes, I told your brother I came. Didn't he tell you?
Come to your house, they didn't tell you. You people should go and give me my money. Allah, didn't tell you. You people should go and give me my money. Ah! Look at that, Burumunia. How is your daughter self? How is the leg? Hope is going well. You know, I'm a professional doctor. I'm an officer. Now you remember to tell me thank you. After all the working that I've been walking up and down coming to your house, and I will tell you.
See your face. You are now smiling because you see money.
You go who see money one. You go who see money one of the day. Again, you people should continue eating.
Are we still owing you?
Remember, keep more power.
How
will I come?
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free. I roam my children so good. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I love a This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for
Like I told you over the phone, forget about everything that concerns the prince. I mean, we tried all we could, but all to no avail. He kept insisting on getting married to that Amarachi girl.
Where is that Amarachi from and whose daughter is she?
I really don't know much, but she's a graduate. And according to what she told my father, she said her late father was an engineer. And she's also from one of those neighboring villages around. My dear, listen, forget about everything that concerns the prince. You know, marriages these days breaks. Not to talk of the ones that were forced. Please, my love, I just want you to be happy forever. I don't want you to get into anything that will deprive you of your happiness.
But the prince didn't try at all. I mean, he should have looked for a classy babe. Well, there is nothing to talk again. I mean, when I told my colleagues my story with the prince, they mocked me. Look, I don't have any issue with anybody again. I don't even want the marriage again. I'm cool. We are cool. I'm fine.
I'm so happy for you. Look at you. You're glowing. You're beautiful. Just
And you too.
listen, my love, beautiful. Thank you. You deserve the best. Just forget about him. So tell me, look at the way you're glowing.
No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made
Father,
up my mind. This is marriage.
despite the fact that everything is not settled yet, Vicki said she's fine. That the prince can go ahead and marry whoever he chooses. Yes, I mean, we spoke at length and she seems very cool with it.
Seriously? I have always known that Vicki is a nice girl. Just that she's stubborn. And that was the reason my son purportedly gave for, canceling the marriage plan between both of you. But all the same, as you move on with your life, I don't think I can ever come to terms with my son and that cripple.
Your Majesty, if the so-called girl is his choice, he should marry her. We are talking about marriage, a lifetime something. We may not be meant for each other, we're just here forcing it. That my mother died of breast cancer doesn't mean I will end like her. He wished me that, and I concluded that the marriage plan is over.
Vicki, what you're trying to say here now is, my son is free to make his choice and that you are cool with it?
Exactly, Your Majesty. And I still remain part of this royal home. Adama here is still my friend, and you will always be my father.
Oh, you see, you're making me emotional. This was exactly what I saw that I wanted to harvest for the royal family. But my son is not seeing it that way. Well, I pray that the gods of my ancestors will, make you find a man that will cherish and love you.
You see?
Yes. And I want to particularly pray for that ailment that is ravaging your family, your lineage. I invoke the powers of the ancient gods of my ancestors that sickness be removed from you, be removed from your lineage.
You see?
And that none of you will ever cry again concerning breast cancer in your family.
Get the dining set, okay?
Okay, my princess.
The king wants to have lunch with Vicki. And hey, make it snappy.
Okay, my princess.
Father, after this meal, I'll be going with Vicki to stay with her a little.
You cannot be seen like this. Your mother's cup is still in the mortuary. So it's either you go and come back, or you don't go at all.
Very well then. No need, I won't be going. Since it's against the rule of the kingdom.
No.
But, Father, what if I wasn't royalty?
I'd rather we talk about it some other time.
Okay.
I actually thought about it, but it's fine. Ada, don't worry. I will always come around if I leave.
Hope you like it.
Yeah, it's nice. Thank you.
Lori, baby. Are you just landing? Yes, sir. Oh, well.
Missed you too.
Okay, well done.
Someone got a house help for my sister, so I had to leave. Plenty errands in that house. Besides, I don't like that Lagos. It's too busy. Everybody minding their business. No one to gist to it.
You this girl, you and gist. Do you want us to start gisting on the road? Or we should go to your house because I have lots of gist for you. Gist kanku.
How far Amarachi and the prince? Her number has not been going.
Amarachi left 2 weeks ago with the prince. Though she told me she'll be living with the prince since the king refused them marrying. It has been a long battle.
This is serious, so. Anyways, let me not keep the bike man waiting. I will come back to the house later.
Alright. I see you. I've missed you. Larry, baby. Okay, well done.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day for my I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free.
Father, aren't you bothered that your son has not been seen around?
You mean my son has not been coming back home? I thought you were just avoiding me.
No, Father. He hasn't been seen around. The worst that would happen is if he gets back to the States as he threatened. Father, it won't be nice at all. I have pleaded with you to let him marry his choice of a woman. Vicki has gone back to Abuja. She is no longer interested. Coupled with your fatherly blessings. Father, please. You have to do something so that mother can be buried.
What about his girl? How long is she going to remain on that crutches? Because on that day of the burial, I'm inviting so many people. Other royal majesties are going to be there. It will not be dignified to see my daughter-in-law riding on crutches.
Father, you don't have to open old wounds. This shouldn't be your major concern. For all I know, that girl just had an accident and she has been treated. I'm sure by now she has thrown away those clutches. Father, your major concern right now should be about your son, the prince. Please.
Does anyone in this palace know where she lives?
I think Chinedu knows. I heard authoritatively that the prince has sent him there before. Yeah.
Then in that case, go call him for me.
Okay, Father.
I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. I remember to Chinedu. I remember I'm concerned about tomorrow. I don't want to go. I guess my wish.
Your Majesty, you sent for me.
I am well informed that my son had sent you to Amarachi's house before.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to go to her house now and check if she's around. Then ask her the whereabouts of my son. And better still, tell her I want to see her urgently.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Sunshine, I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Sunshine, I have made up my mind. This is marriage. we are talking about. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse.
Good day, ma.
Good day, how are you?
The king asked me to come and check if your granddaughter is around.
I've not seen her. The prince came here and picked her up. And she only told me that she's coming. For 2 weeks now, I've not set my eyes on her.
And no phone calls yet?
Nah, and we put her on phone. Unless when her friends come around, I will ask if she called them.
Alright, in that case, let me report back to my king.
Okay.
Thank you.
What have we not done to make the king see reasons with us? Eh? Or are we not old enough to talk to him? Look, it's been 2 weeks now since the prince left the palace. Nowhere to be found. All his lines switched off.
We must allow him to finish that. I mean, that thing he has on his mind. It's not as if Prince went to the north or Bodoyibo to bring the girl. No, it's within us. We all know how close the former senator is with the king, but it's very painful the way his son rejected the senator's daughter. But that is not an excuse. He must call his son to order. And that's the truth.
Well, as for me, I have no further business in that palace. Unless the king agrees to settle this and bury the queen. If not, let him stay in the palace alone. I'm not coming.
Really? Do you have the prince's other number? I mean, all his lines were switched off. Even the king and the princess couldn't reach him.
Well, I have his number.
Really?
Yes.
Good.
But I can only relate to him if the king accepts to bless him and the woman of his choice. Then no problem, I'll relate with him.
Really? The king has no option than to dance to your tune. As it stands now, he has no option.
He has no option?
No, he has no option. My son is missing. Missing? He has literally left this community so that the corpse of his mother will rot in the morgue. Your Majesty, from the information I gathered, I don't think your son is missing. He left probably because of the choice of wife on him. But I told him to come home. I told him to get another woman as long as it's not that crippled girl. My son's wife cannot be supporting herself with crutches when we have beautiful, wonderful, charming women within and outside this community. Your Majesty, that girl had an accident couldn't walk with crutches forever. She did not force the accident on herself. Your son has brought that girl to my house. I want you to calm down and see reasons with him. Yes. My son has guts. He deliberately switched off his phone so that his sister and I will not have access to him. Your Majesty, don't forget, a lion begat a lion. A snake begat a snake. He is the son of his father. Yes. So I have another lion. Oh yes, Your Majesty, from your loins. Well, in that case, wherever he is, tell him to come home with the woman of his life. Let us live together. Igwe! Come to think of it, what if he had actually absconded with the girl? What would I have done? Anyway, I'll do something about it and get a private investigator to locate him and tell him to come home. Yes. Now you're talking. Oh no, you made my day. Igwe! Apata Kuma one of our industry. Just sit down. Okay. Oh.
I said, switch on your phones. Switch on your phones. Look, the worst thing you can do is to make your father pass through further stress. Eh? We already have one corpse in the morgue. Please, we don't want to have another one. Biko. Just come back home. Come back and let us settle this once and for all, please. And switch on your phones. Eh. So, how is our wife? Is she there with you? Oh, Biko. Just, you go to your phone. Kekime, how are you doing? I know from the sound of your voice, I know you're doing fine. I know. Idigo Queen. Don't mind me. It's well. I want you to know that you are a royal treasure. We value you so much. I've already told the prince. It's well. Okay.
Come in. You look so beautiful.
What a beautiful man. I said it that the prince will have nothing to do with Vicki. People should start calling me prophetess soon. I have a divine call.
Then go and become Ezewan and start duping people like others now. Prophetess my food.
Let me rush and pick.
Okay.
As the king addressed the no.
Please go and get gist for us.
No, come and stay.
Hi.
Prophetess.
King is here.
See who is. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, my father. I am really sorry for leaving the palace. I was just pissed.
No. You see, it goes to show that when you put your foot on the ground, it remains so. You have become a man of strong conviction. You don't need to be sorry. Is that Amarachi?
Yes, some Amarachi, you know.
Amarachi.
Oh,
What happened?
Your Majesty.
Where are your crutches?
Your Majesty, I am better now. I am well.
I don't know, she's this beautiful and I just concentrated on the crutches.
I am deeply sorry for everything that has happened.
Oh, no. You are now my daughter-in-law. Come. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Let me bless the senior. Come. I bless the senior this day. It shall be well with both of you. The peace shall be your portion.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free. I run my children so good. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I love a This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for